Hi, I'm Mike. This is the Balloon Channel. Today we're making a balloon monkey. To make our balloon monkey, what we'll need is a 260, and we're going to inflate it with 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to let a bit of air out and tie it off. Okay. Then we're going to do a 2-finger bubble, and then we're going to take the end and twist it in, twist underneath, and then we're going to do a petal twist. So that's where we fold the balloon over. I'm going to be about 3 fingers, and then we're going to twist all together. You should have something like this. Give it a little squeeze. Then go another 3 fingers across. We've got a 3-finger bubble. And once again, we're going to do another 2-finger bubble. Now, with this 2-finger bubble, we're going to pinch twist. So I'll fold it over, grab, pull, and twist. Now, we're going to twist these 2 ends in together. So you can grab, pinch and twist it all together, and there you'll see you'll have the monkey's head. So what we're going to do is a 2-finger bubble underneath the head, and then we're going to do another 2-finger bubble. Now for the hands, we're going to do 1-finger bubble. We're going to twist it quite well, just so they don't come undone. And then measure them up to make sure they're safe. And then we have his arms. Now, we're going to do a 3-finger bubble again. Another 2. Once again, we're going to do his feet. So just a 1-finger bubble. And another one. And then we're going to match them up again. And twist it all together. We're going to squeeze the tail out. We got our tail like this. We're going to squeeze it. We've got a nice monkey tail. And then we're going to do our artwork. So what I like to do is draw 2 eyes on again at the top. And for the mouth, I draw a smile on the side. And a holy tongue. And that's our balloon monkey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment below, and click here for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more Balloon Channel content.